Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Indiana 11 Tarot. This is the reading for last 10 days of June. It's a money and love reading. So I'll just pick up 3 cards and we'll just see what could be the possible outcome in the last 10 days of June. Here I would just like to put a thought like there are planets in retrograde right now, Venus and Mercury in retrograde, besides other 2 planets, Saturn and Jupiter too. So when there's a retrograde, go slow, go in a phased manner. Do not take any haste or impulsive decision, and just go in a very phased manner, go step by step. So this is, I've been telling across signs, we all need to just slow down and move forward, slow and steady, that way. So let's pick up the cards now. The World. Queen of Cups in reverse. 8 of Swords. So I feel with the World card coming here, there is a cycle which is changing. So we will have to clarify this. It talks about a cycle ending and a new cycle coming, a new beginning of a new cycle with the World card. It could also talk about a travel, maybe work related, or for even travel for a love situation. So let me clarify this card, the World card. Clarify the World card. Okay, it's 2 of Cups. It's about a love situation. So I feel something, you had a relationship and it did not work out for you, so there was a break, it fell apart, and and that you worked towards it previously, but now that is changing. You are leaving that behind and you are going towards something new in most of your cases. It might not resonate with all of you being the general reading, but yes, it shows that with the 2 of Cups the things have changed now in your love situation. You are moving towards other situation. Yeah, with this it shows the Queen of Cups in reverse. It shows that you emotionally now you are not in a very happy state. You are cold towards people. You are not feeling impulsive, or you are not with these cards I can see that you're staying aloof and you're thinking practically, and there are certain you are not emotionally happy, and so you are showing a cold shoulder to people around you. So with the Queen of Cups reverse, I feel because of the fallout of this 2 of Cups with the World card, it's like you are hurt and you feel you are sad. So this is it. 8 of Swords talks about the same thing. So 8 of Swords is like badly hurt from a certain situation. Maybe there was certain things you did not know, you were deceived, and you are feeling blocked and stuck, and you don't know what to do. That is what Scorpio. But I will just take a clarification card for the 8 of Swords. Sorry, 8 of Swords. So I will just take a clarification. Okay, so it's Ace of Swords now. 8 of Swords clarification card is Ace of Swords. Maybe you have cut a person from your life. Maybe they deceived you or they cheated on you, or it could also talk about a money situation or a business situation, that you have cut someone, a partnership or a deal or a new so you aren't you're cutting that didn't work for you. And I feel that there is something new coming with this World card. This phase is going, you have cut people across, there's a fresh new start, for you. So this is what is there. So let me just see the bottom of the deck. What do we have? I mean, all swords. I mean, there was a conflicting situation here, bottom of the deck. There was a conflicting situation, and now that you are very clear with the thought that you are just cutting away the old things, old issues, old relationship, most of you, or and you know what decision to take. You have the strategy in mind. You have the strategy, but you are not sharing it with anybody. You are very secretive about that thing. Whatever is in your mind is only you are knowing, and you don't want to share it. Here it could be regarding this love situation, or your job situation, money situation, whatever ideas, you're just keeping it to yourself. So basically it shows that you have been hurt, and regarding a certain situation, and then you are cutting people away off from you, whether in love situation or money situation, and you know where to go, how to direct yourself this last 10 days. I think Scorpio had a slightly better month in terms of finances, which I remember. You might have received some money previously, maybe a small or a big chunk, depends on and there is a lot of stress and workload for you. The workload is immense, and so maybe that's the reason you're cutting people away, and you don't want much pressures already. So that could be like unburdening yourself to certain situation. So this is what I have, Scorpio, for you in the last 10 days of June. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in July readings.